Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And today's going to be a rough one. We got a 15-mile-an-hour wind, an outgoing tide. Our captains are likely going to have some fits trying to do battle with the inlet today. But let's go ahead and get our competition started. And we're going to move into the first round of our contest, where we're going to have a pro line stepping up to try and do battle with Haulover. My man's got the throttles pinned. They look pretty solid, trying to pick a good line. There is a heavy following sea, but our guy's just going to try and blast his way right through it. But let's see how they fare as they finish the run. And it looks like this crew's going to make it in without issue and possibly take a win for the boats. They take a smack here at the end, but Cap pulls it out. Win for the boats here in the first round. And as we move into the second round, we're going to have an Azimuth stepping in the ring. Let's see how they fare as they try and make their way out of Haulover Inlet. Now this crew's holding a pretty solid pace. As you can tell, this is a big boat, but as we can see as they smack the head seas here, there's big seas out here today. It's gonna be a rough exit for this crew, especially as they roll out into the heavier rollers on the outside of the inlet. So far, they look pretty good. They're barely up on plane, which is a pretty solid pace for this boat, especially in these kind of sea conditions, but let's see if they can hang on. As we can see, they're starting to take some spray over the bow, but man, they are taking one heck of a ride. Oh no! We're gonna lose the cushions. They're starting to blow away. Hopefully they hang on. Big wave here. Man, this boat is taking an absolute pounding on its way out of Haulover. I have to imagine we're gonna see one of those infamous Haulover U-turns coming. I can't imagine they're really going, oh no! They stuff it. Everybody on the flybridge is soaked now. Man, that is a big wave when you can get up on the flybridge of this boat and get everybody wet up there. But here we see it from the front angle, and man, they just nailed this wave. Whew, it is a rough day when you see a yacht like this take a wave over the bow like that, and unfortunately for this crew, they're going to take a loss for the boats here in the second round. That's going to bring us to a 1-1 tie as we move into the third round of our contest, where we're going to feature a Monterey stepping in the ring to try and do battle with Haulover. And we got a few things going on here. It looks like we've got a line out up on the bow of the boat for some reason, but man, big smack. This boat is just pounding its way out of Haulover here, and this is a rough ride. I mean, our crew is taking a pounding as they come out of Haulover. Fortunately, they moved a little bit to the north where it's going to be a little bit calmer now. But the reality is we kind of missed this in this clip. These guys don't make it much further than this, and they wind up having to pull a Haulover U-turn and come back in and abort the mission early. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to give them a loss, even though they look pretty good up until this point. And that's going to take us into the fourth round of our competition with Haulover having an early 2-1 lead. Let's see how our crew fares here in the fourth round. And my man's looking pretty solid. It's a rough ride, but they've got the throttles going, trying to get the boat up on plane. In fact, they're accelerating a little bit right here, hoping the boat can do the work, but man, our dude is hanging on the side. Let's see how they finish this one out. And Haulover is throwing some big shots at them, but this crew's not stopping for anything. Wifey's hanging onto the hat to make sure it doesn't go anywhere as well. Our guy standing on the side of the console somehow has been able to hang on, and our crew's going to make it out of the inlet without issue and take a win for the boats here in the fourth round. And that will bring us back to a 2-2 tie as we move into the fifth and final round of our contest. And here in the fifth round, we're gonna feature a scout to see who can take the win. Will it be the boats or will it be the inlet? And here we go, Scout throttling down. He's gonna have a little wake to deal with as well, but these scouts, man, I'll tell you what, the more I watch them, they do an incredible job at handling the inlet, especially these big ones. They just seem to blast their way through no matter what the conditions are. And right now, our captain's got a good solid pace on this boat, not going too fast, just enough to keep the bow up, but let the boat do the work and blast their way through. And our crew looks like they're not going to have any issues, and they're going to make it out of Haulover, taking a win for the boats and giving the boats the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet, My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens around the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.